Tavern on the Moor is located just south of Kansas City, Missouri, in the Creekmore Clubhouse on an 18-hole golf course. Programs I've used in the past to develop a menu have always seemed to be challenging, as they don't necessarily have a whole lot of layout options or design options. We didn't necessarily always have the equipment, the technology, or the program to create a menu. I knew somewhere we had to find a way to do a professional menu, as it was hindering our business. People weren't taking us seriously as a restaurant.
Soon after I met Executive Chef Karen, I knew that our services could be a lot of help to her.
The Menu Profit Pro is an awesome tool that US Foods provides. It really reduced my time in costing a menu, because I can go on there and I can find any product that I want at any quantity and add it to the recipe or to the menu item, and it costs it all for me. And best yet, it keeps up on the cost and the pricing of everything. Partnering with US Foods menu program has created a solid foundation for a partnership with US Foods. The US Foods team was really great in listening to my needs and my wants from a menu and from a marketing standpoint, what I wanted to do with my restaurant and where I wanted to go with it.
I saw that she was working seasonal menu, pool menu, catering menu, lunch and dinner menu. They were all in separate pieces of paper. And so I really talked to her about what her long-term goals were, how she really wanted things to look, and started determining what things that we could really do to help her.
We actually doubled our revenue this year, thanks to US Foods. As a small business, it's important to me to have US Foods as my partner.
Independent restaurateurs often struggle with marketing, menu design, development, budgeting for all of those very expensive things. And so having a partnership with US Foods where we have our customers' backs, there's a different kind of loyalty that comes along with what we're doing, because we're really truly helping them make it in so many ways.